Hi everyone, we're going to start something new today. We're going to be creating a winter landscape. But the first step is to create the sky. You're going to have a choice between painting with the warm colors, orange and red, and there will be yellow, or the cool colors, blues and purples. So you're going to get a blue tray. Your white paper will be on it. It's already going to have a circle traced for you. Now the egg carton that comes to your table will have the cool colors and the warm colors, but you can only use one set. You can't mix them together. All right, I'm going to start. I think for my my video, I think I might choose, I don't know, maybe I'll choose the warm colors. So you're going to have a paintbrush and water, and you're not going to be able to see that in the camera, but just know that it's there. I'm going to start with my lightest color, which is my orange, and I'm going to paint right around the circle. Okay. And we're going to paint kind of a wide stripe of color, so I can make that a little bit bigger. Now I said we're making a landscape. Does anyone know what a landscape is? It's a type of a picture, and it's actually a picture of outside. All right, so I'm going to go to my next color, which is magenta, another warm color, and I'm going to overlap a little bit onto the orange. And I'm going to make another wide stripe of color. Now, I'm using the warm colors, but know that the same thing is going to happen with the cool colors, the blues and purples. You would start out with that lightest blue, and then go to the darker blue, and then end up with purple. All right, so that's pretty good. Now I'm going to go to my last color, which is red. So I'm cleaning my brush off, and red, I'm going to come right out here. Oops. And the red is going to basically fill up the rest of the page. But are you watching? Do you see how I am painting kind of like in a circle? I'm not just going up and down. I'm moving around that circle. So you want to keep that going. All right, now for the last little bit, I can take magenta and mix it with the red on top of my paper, not in the egg carton. So I'm going to go back to magenta and mix that into the red a little bit until I've got my paper all filled up. There's one last little thing we're going to do. I'm going to clean my brush. I'm going to go back to orange, the first color I used, the lightest color. If you're using the cool colors, that would be the light blue. And I'm going to just blend that into the magenta a little bit. Okay. And keep going. And I can just go right around like that. All right, I think that's going to look pretty awesome. Now we are going to do something with this, but not in this video. We've got to let this dry. Okay, I can't wait to see your skies.